My name is Ken Ko. I'm an American currently working in London. I'm a documentary filmmaker. I teach filmmaking in New York and LA. These are some of my students in Hollywood. I'm also a firearms instructor and a private pilot. This is me and my wife, Marie. God brought us together when we were teenagers. We've been married for 21 years. We have 4 beautiful children. Marie is French, from Lyon, but she served in the British Army. Marie now works with Veterans for Child Rescue. They're a group of Navy SEALs that hunt down child predators. Almost 2 years ago, I came across Ala Peter's Fibonacci Trading Institute, and her Fibonacci method blew me away. I didn't completely understand it at the time, but I knew I hit the jackpot with this method. I've been basically a loser trader for the previous 2 years and blew up my account twice, so I was hesitant to start trading again. I paper traded the method every day for almost about a year. Then came the coronavirus, and we were in lockdown in London. I started trading my life account. Since March, I've had 151 trades and 151 wins. I trade the S&P 500 using the ETF SPY, and I trade cryptocurrencies, namely Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, OMG, NEO, Link, XLM, XRP, Theta. I'm very happy with the results. I've now more than tripled my account. This is my performance since March 2020. I do expect to lose trades, but the strategy is brilliant. You're going to win more than you lose and therefore profit. It is that good. Once you learn this method, you really do not need anything else. And if I can do it, anyone can.